Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a lost Discover card using the app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Discover app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu icon in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal your account options. Select the Account Services option from the drop-down menu. Look for the Lost or Stolen Card option. Tap on Lost or Stolen Card to proceed. Follow the prompts to confirm that your card is lost. You may need to verify your identity for security purposes. Once verified, choose the option to order a replacement card. Review your mailing address to ensure it is correct. Confirm the replacement request for your lost card. You will receive a confirmation message on the app. Once your request is processed, your new card will be mailed to you. Check your email for further updates regarding your new card. After receiving your new card, activate it using the app. Your old card will be deactivated automatically. You are now ready to use your new Discover card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.